Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Aloe Vera Travel Size is probably one of the most versatile and essential items you can pack for any trip, whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended adventure, offering soothing relief for sunburns, minor cuts, and skin irritations, all in a convenient, portable format that won't take up precious space in your luggage, ensuring you have comfort and care readily available wherever your travels may lead you. Number 5. Aloderma Aloe Vera Gel. Experience the power of nature with our organic aloe vera gel. It's made within 12 hours of harvest to capture peak freshness and potency. Our formula is packed with 96% pure organic aloe vera. This means you get the most natural and effective skincare possible. This versatile gel is perfect for your skin, providing deep hydration and a soothing effect. It acts as a wonderful face moisturizer. Don't forget your scalp and hair. It helps to nourish and revitalize them, leaving them feeling healthy and refreshed. Enjoy the multi-purpose benefits of this hydrating aloe gel. It's your all-in-one solution for healthy skin, scalp, and hair. This comes in a generous 7.05-ounce size, ensuring you have plenty of this amazing product for all your needs. What we like. This option boasts a high concentration of organic aloe, harvested incredibly fresh. It's perfect for those seeking a versatile product for skin, scalp, and hair. If you want a do-it-all solution for everyday hydration and nourishment, this is a great choice. What people say. The travel size is perfect for my purse and doesn't leak. It's a great size for carry-on luggage and absorbs quickly without leaving a sticky residue. I love that it's a small bottle, easy to pack and use on the go. Number 4. Aloderma Aloe Vera Gel. Experience the power of nature with our pure organic aloe vera gel. It's made within 12 hours of harvest to capture maximum freshness and benefits. Our formula boasts an incredible 99% pure organic aloe vera. This ensures you're getting the most potent and natural skincare possible. Enjoy natural hydration that soothes your skin. It's perfect for calming irritation and leaving your complexion feeling refreshed. This moisturizing gel deeply hydrates your skin, making it feel soft and supple. It's an essential addition to your daily skincare routine. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. It provides gentle yet effective care without causing irritation. Whether for your face or body, this versatile gel is your go-to for healthy, radiant skin. Embrace the pure, soothing touch of aloe. What we like. With an even higher percentage of organic aloe, this formula is exceptionally pure and gentle. It's designed for those with sensitive skin who need natural, soothing hydration. If you're looking for a calming moisturizer that won't irritate, this is the one to consider. What people say. Great for travel, perfect size. It's a good size for my purse and for travel. This is the perfect size for travel and it works great. Number 3. Miracle Hand Repair Cream 1 ounce, 3-pack. Introducing Miracle Hand Repair Cream, your ultimate solution for dry, cracked hands. Experience the power of healing with this exceptional formula. Infused with 60% pure aloe vera, it deeply moisturizes and soothes your skin. Feel the natural goodness working to restore your hands' comfort. Enjoy a non-greasy feel as it quickly absorbs into your skin. It provides instant relief without leaving any residue behind. Perfect for those with demanding jobs, this cream is designed for working hands. It helps to repair and protect even the most stressed skin. Say goodbye to extremely dry skin. This fast-absorbing lotion delivers intense hydration, leaving your hands feeling soft and revitalized. Get a convenient 3-pack of this amazing hand cream. Keep one at home, one at work, and one on the go for continuous care. What we like. This product is specifically formulated for intense hand repair, containing a significant amount of aloe. Its non-greasy texture ensures fast absorption, making it ideal for working hands. If you suffer from dry, cracked hands and need effective, quick relief without residue, this multi-pack is a fantastic option. What people say. The gel absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a sticky residue. It's a good size for carrying in a purse or travel bag. The aloe vera gel is soothing and helps to calm irritated skin. Number 2. Aloderma Travel Size Aloe Vera Gel. Experience the purity of nature with our travel size aloe vera gel. It's made with 99% pure organic aloe, harvested within just 12 hours to capture its freshest benefits. This versatile gel is perfect for your body, face, and scalp. It provides deep hydration, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. When your skin needs extra care, reach for this soothing formula. It's ideal for calming sunburns and relieving any skin irritation. Our 1.5-ounce squeeze tube is designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. Easily take this essential hydration with you wherever you travel. Embrace the power of organic ingredients. This gel offers a natural way to nourish and care for your skin and scalp. What we like? This is your perfect travel companion, featuring a high concentration of organic aloe in a convenient size. The squeeze tube makes application easy on the go, ideal for sunburn relief or a quick refresh. If you prioritize portability and effective soothing for your face, body, or scalp while traveling, this is the ideal pick. What people say. The gel is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. It provides instant cooling relief for sunburns and minor irritations. The travel size bottle is convenient for on-the-go use and fits easily in a purse or pocket. Number 1. Aloderma Aloe Vera Gel. Experience the power of nature with our pure organic aloe vera gel. It's made within 12 hours of harvest to capture maximum freshness and benefits. Our formula contains 99% pure organic aloe vera, offering unparalleled soothing and hydration. It's the natural choice for your skin's well-being. This versatile gel is perfect for both your face and body. It provides excellent relief for sunburn and can also be used to nourish your scalp and hair. Feel the instant cooling and hydrating effect as it calms irritated skin. It's your go-to solution for dryness and sun exposure. The easy-to-use pump bottle ensures you get the perfect amount every time. Enjoy effortless application for all your skincare needs. Don't forget your hair. This aloe vera gel helps to moisturize and soothe your scalp, leaving your hair feeling healthier and more manageable. What we like? This large format option offers premium organic aloe with a convenient pump dispenser for easy application. It's excellent for extensive sunburn relief and also caters to scalp and hair needs. If you need a generous supply for frequent use on your face, body, or hair, and appreciate ease of dispensing, this is the best value. What people say. The gel is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving no sticky residue. It's perfect for soothing sunburns and minor irritations, providing instant relief. The travel size packaging is convenient for on-the-go application and fits easily into a purse or travel bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.